have you guys can hide your birthday notification on Facebook. So to do that, you need to hide your birthday on Facebook. If you do that, no one will be able to see your birthday, which means no one will be able to wish you. So to do that, you need to click on menu at the bottom right, and then you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen, or you can just click on your Facebook name. Nice. Kevin Richie Saville. Just do that. From over here, you want to click on the three dot, which is right beside See Dashboard. Once you click on it, the top option where it says Edit, click on it. From inside Edit, scroll all the way down until you see the option called Editor About Info. Click on Editor About Info. From over here, you can see the Basic Info section, and right beside Basic Info, you can see the Edit button. Click on Edit. From over here, you can see your birthday, and right beside my birthday, it's on Public, which means everybody can see it. What I need to do is click on Public, and click on Only Me, and for my 2000 as well, I will do the same. I will click on Public, I will click Only Me. If I do that, I can click and save at the top right. Once I click on Save, I can go back, and basically, my problem should be fixed now. My birth date has been privated, which means no one will be able to see it, and I won't get any notification on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye until then.